education and everyone. My name is Swapna. We are from class 8. As per the Vikasit Bharat Buildathan, our idea is about smart Krishi savior problem statement. Farmers in rural areas face severe problems every year due to unpredictable floods and droughts. Traditional irrigation systems are ineffective as they waste water during dry seasons and fail during heavy rains. Farmers in rural areas also lack affordable tools to manage these and etc. Causes of the problem are lack of real-time data on soil moisture, floods, and etc. Climate changes and irrigation does not work properly. Irregular rainfall also happens in these. Sustainable tools are not using in rural farming.
Effects of the problem: huge crop losses due to floods or droughts, waste of water and damage to the soil fertility, increase of farmers' debt and distress migration, reduced food production and local market decline.
Major problem exists. Rural homes depend on agriculture for income. Community areas like local markets and copper centers. Documented cases in Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. To face the problem, small and marginal farmers, rural farmers depended on farming income, local agriculture workers, village traders. Solution: the smart Krishi savior is a low power, lot based device which is powered by solar energy. It uses soil moisture, water levels and air detectors to help farmers and monitors manage water efficiently during drought and flood seasons. In drought season, the AI uses its air detectors to detect soil dryness and activates a microgreen irrigation system which provides enough water to every crop section. In flood season, the devices flood alerts and geographical alarms help monitor rising water levels. It also sets an early alarm to everyone through mobile notifications and shuts off any irrigation system, preventing crop and irrigation damage.
The conclusion: this idea strongly aligns with the vocal for local and leverages with local manufactured sensors and low-cost Indian technology and farmers-led innovation.
How it helps? It increases crop yield, saves water up to 60% by reduced dependency on harmful pesticides by optimizing natural moisture conditions.
Thank you.
Thank you.